In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Ko-fi currency in seconds. If you want to update the currency displayed on your Ko-fi page, then you're in the right place. Changing your currency on Ko-fi is actually very quick, and the entire process only takes a few moments to complete. Whether you want to switch from US dollars to euros, British pounds, or another available option, Ko-fi makes it simple to customize your payment settings directly from your account dashboard. To get started, make sure you are already signed in to your Ko-fi account. Once you're on the main page of your profile, you may notice that your current currency is already displayed on your page. For example, your donations, memberships, or shop prices might currently appear in US dollars. Now, head over to the upper right corner of the screen and click on the Home section. After that, look for the Settings option and open it. This area contains all of your account preferences and payment-related controls. Inside the Settings menu, click on Payments. Once the Payments page opens, you'll see a section specifically for currency. This is where you can manage the currency shown on your Ko-fi page. At this point, you'll notice that your current currency is selected by default. Simply click on the Available Currency option to open the list. Ko-fi provides several choices, including euros, British pounds, and other supported currencies depending on your account setup. Choose the currency you want to use. For this example, we'll switch the account from US dollars to euros. As soon as you select the new currency, the change is applied automatically. There's no need to click a Save button or confirm the change manually, which makes the process even faster and easier. To verify that everything worked correctly, return to your Ko-fi page and refresh it if necessary. You should now see that your page is displaying the newly selected currency instead of the old one, and that's all there is to it. As you can see, changing your currency on Ko-fi is very simple and only takes a few seconds to complete. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.